Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the evolutionary origin of reptiles. This is probably one of the remarkable and most interesting topic of history so far, because reptiles, especially the fossilized reptiles, are one of the remarkable and astonishing discoveries in the field of paleontology. The reptiles were derived from actually the amphibians, a special group of amphibians which is called as labyrinthodonts. They are originated from this class of amphibians. Now, this transition from amphibian to the reptile took place during the Carboniferous period in the ancient times, and the oldest known fossils of reptiles are about 350 million years old. When we talk about the earliest reptiles, they were very small in size, and normally they were four-legged vertebrates, resembled just like lizards, and they had teeth adapted for eating insects. If you have watched any of the dinosaur-related movies, you could visualize that they were very interesting characters, and they diversified so rapidly in the Permian period that they become the most dominant land vertebrates of that times. In this figure, there are some pictures you can see. These are the fossilized dinosaurs or the reptiles. Some of these dinosaurs, even they got wings, and they also could fly, and they dominated the skies as well. These are the fossilized and preserved wings you can see in these dinosaurs. These wings helped them to fly in the skies at that time when there were no birds evolved in this planet. So when we talk about the Mesozoic era, this is called the age of real reptiles, and one of the most famous reptiles, the dinosaur, appeared and evolved into great variety of forms during this Mesozoic eras. You can see some of the examples of these dinosaurs are present in this figure diagram you can see, and these are always fascinating and interesting to discover and to learn about. During the Mesozoic era, these reptiles were not limited to terrestrial habitats. They also moved to the oceans, and they were very gigantic and very large reptiles that inhabited the oceans as well. They were so giant that even sharks look very small in front of them. They were so large in size. There are some group of reptiles, including ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs. They lived in the oceans, and now scientists have found their fossils, and they are very interestingly large in size. That really shows that Mesozoic era was the real era of reptiles.